Very good evening to everyone. Welcome to Pantech e-learning. Very good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Pantech e-learning. So good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Pantech e-learning. Today we are discussing about the remaining concepts with the Tableau part. So now we are proceeding with the next step in a Tableau. So whatever we completed yesterday, and after that we should go with some basic applications with that, and up to where we have completed, after that we should complete the next step here. So that purpose we are going with the particular applications as well here. So hope you can see this information, and today we are discussing about Tableau file types, which type of the file types we are having, and if you want to publish the data from the Tableau, then how you will publish the data, and sharing your visualizations, means if you want to share the visualization in a Tableau online, then how you will share the information, and the printing, exporting, how you can do, then you can go with the different type of the options there. And coming to the next one, creating custom charts is about the graphical representation, how you can do the graphical representation. We can proceed with the different type of the examples here. And coming to the next one, area charts and dual axis charts. We shown already dual axis charts. Again we can go with the same thing. So hope my voice can listen you all people. If you are having any issue with the voice note, so please make change and please inform to your all friends. So daily, if you want to join the class, you should join with the same YouTube session only. If you subscribe the Pantech e-learning site, then you can get the notification for you in your mobile. Then you can attend automatically live sessions. So today first we will discuss types of file types. Which type of the file types we are having, we will discuss you. So first you have to go, just go to Windows search bar and type there Tableau and click on the app. So now the Tableau will be opened here. So now you just want to go with the different type of the options to here. Okay. So now what I want to do here. So you just want to go with the types of the Tableau file types. So we should know about the file types in a Tableau. Then how you should know about the file types of the Tableau, I will tell you here. So coming to the types of the Tableau, we are having basically 6 type of the Tableaus. And if you want to know about the file types, so we are having the site here with the Tableau part, and there they will provide. So basically we are having 6 type of the file types we are having. So the first one is about the workbook, packaged workbook, and bookmark, extract, data source, and packaged data source. So these are what we are discussing today, and the discussion is about all file types. How many file types we are having? So the first one is about workbook. Okay, so for the workbook, so we should give an extension name as these are the file types. Okay, how we are having a different type of the extensions like PDF, JPG, Word file, like that. In Tableau we are having different type of the extension files. So the first one is about the workbook, and the extension of that file is .twb. WB is nothing but the workbook, T is nothing but the Tableau. And coming to the next one, second one is about bookmark. Okay, so coming to the bookmark, and for this shortcut name as .ttableau, bookmark means BM, .tbm. And coming to the third one, so third one is about the extract. If you want to extract the data, then you can take, and for that extension we are having hyper. Okay, so coming to the fourth one, packaged workbook, means it's a combination of the packagings. So with the workbook, and for this extension as .twb workbook, and as well as option as X. Okay, and coming to the fifth one, data source. Okay, so for that extension as .tableau data source, DS. Coming to the sixth one, packaged data source. So these are the files what we are having. X is nothing but the packaged one. So these are the files what we are having. so file types in a Tableau, and now we will see all the Tableau format files in our file. Okay, so when you will see the type of the files, I will show you. Yeah, so yes, good afternoon to everyone. So Rama garu, good afternoon, and Usha Rani, good afternoon. So Bhagyaraj sir, good afternoon. Pradeep, good afternoon to everyone. So please continue the session and please inform to your friends too. So now we are proceeding with the first thing is about the different type of file types. So now I just want to go with the I want to load the particular data here. So text file is nothing but the CSV file. I'm just taking the VG sales to here, and it will be open in this format, right? So can you see here we are having the options live and extract. Live in connections we are having two type of the connections will be happen here. So if you are going with the live, and you can get the live data, extract is nothing but if you want to click on the extract, and we are having the option as extract for the hyper, right? So we can proceed with that one too here. Okay, and that is the part of this information. And coming to the next part, then we will go with the sheet one first. So again I'm taking the genre for the columns and global sales for the rows. So this is my information. So now after completion of this one, if you want to save this file, just go to the file and click on save as. Then here it's asking which type of the extension you need. Okay, so book1.twb. twb is nothing but Tableau of workbook. If you want to save this information, you can save the information as sales1.twd is nothing but the extension of the file type here. Then you can save the file. It's already there, it's showing, no problem, you can save again. So now the information will be completed. Now you just want to go with the second option and take the genre, and now you just take the global sales, okay, with the different type of the graphical representations. So I'm just dragging a genre to here, and global sales also I'm dragging to here, and for the genre I'm just giving the colors. Okay, some I'm just giving the labels, and I got the information like this. And for this I just want to save the information with packaged workbooks. Okay, so now you just go with the save as. Can you see it's already there with the sales 11. Now I am just giving the sales 11, and the extension is Tableau B, but I just want to go with the packages with the Tableau B. Okay, packaged workbook. Then you can go with the save as type. Click here and you can select the option as second one, and this is about the Tableau workbook with the packaged one. So like that you can save. The first option will be completed, so workbook will be completed, and packaged workbook will be completed. We saw already how to do. And if you are having any doubt, again I will show you the process. Please proceed with this. So first go to the file option, click on the save as, then which type of the extension you need, we just take the extension to here. Okay, so this is the process how to do the step here. Okay, so this is the process how to do the stepping analysis process to here. Okay, so now I'm just going with the option as like this. So this is about how to do the saving options. Okay, if you need with the normal Tableau workbook, then you can go with that. Otherwise, if you want to go with the packaged workbook, then you can take the workbook. Okay, so then we will think what is the difference between the workbook. Can you see here, whatever you're having the data types, you can see here with the different type of the necessary connections. with a workbook, it's a workbook, and we can go with the basic dashboards and the stories. And coming to the packaged workbook, and we are having different type of the packages to here to get the workbook process to here. Okay, so that is the step to do the process for the different type of the workbooks. These are two type of the file types in a workbook. And coming to the remaining steps, maybe a bookmark, extract, data source, package data source, all we will discuss now itself, right? So now I just want to take these data, and now I want to go with the third one. Again I'm creating the sheet 3, and sheet 3 again I'm taking the genre and the global sales, and I just want to go with the different type of the combinations to here. And here I'm not satisfied with this, and just go to the standard, click on the enter view, and it will go with a big one, and the standard entire view will come, and give some colors to here and give some labels to here. Then you will get the option like this. Now you just want to go with the different type of the options to here. Go to the worksheet. Can you see the different type of the options to here? Okay, so can you see now our CSV file name as VG sales, right? So just click on the VG sales, right click, then you can see the options as add to day saved data sources. Then just clicked on the add to data sources. Okay, so now can you see it's showing the saving part. Again I will show you. Go to the VG sales here in a data, give a right click, and go with the add to saved data sources. Okay, so add to source, add to saved data sources. So coming to the next step, we are going with the last part as third part as in this. So what is that data source, which type of the data source we are taking, then you have to check the data source to here. Then what you are doing to here, for the data source, you just go with the data source here and proceed with the data source here in our Tableau part. Then how you will take, so go to the data and give a right click, and you can see add to save data sources. Just click on it, and it will save, it will show some location to save the programmings. Can you see the extension of this save type as Tableau data source .tds is nothing but the Tableau data source. I'm just giving here the VG sales. So I just want to click on the save button. I'm just clicking on the save button. It's already there. Again I'm taking, okay, this is fine, but okay, but I just want to go with the extra type with the packaged of data source. Again you take the rows, columns, okay, with the different type of the data sets. Okay, if you're thinking it will be the same, then you can take other label of the attribute here. Okay, okay, so I just taken rank and the genre. Okay, so rank and genre I have taken to here. Then what you should do for this, and you should go with the part of the combination with the saving of another file with the data source. Give a VG sales and go to there, and you just go to the add to save data source. Now you can change the extension as Tableau package to data source with a VG sales of 1. Then what will happen, automatically it will save the data into a different type of the formats, right? Then click on the save button. So the first one is completed. Okay, workbook is completed with the packages, workbook is completed. Then you just want to go with the data source is completed. Okay, so the data source will be completed, and the package data source will be completed. And coming to the next two steps, extract and the bookmark. both you should complete here itself. So that's why you just want to go with the simple thing, and I will say you what you want to do here. Okay, so now you just want to go with the bookmark and as well as the extract. So now I will show you with the bookmark and as well as the extract, and before that we just want to go with the basic part to here. So these are the four types, right? So I'm just taking the sheet 1 name as I'm just renaming with file, otherwise we can go with the graph. What you did here, TWB workbook, right? So this is about the second sheet 2 is about graph for what you are doing with this graph. Tableau workbook with the packages. Okay, now you just want to go with the third one, and this is about the data source of the graph. For the TDS, data source. And coming to the sheet 4, and here I should go with the sheet 4 as graph. TDS is completed, data source of the Tableau is completed. Now you just want to go with the Tableau of data source with the packages, right? So these are the options what you are having here, and in this data source and the Tableau you can get the different type of the options to here, and this is about the whole information about the different type of the paths. So now we are going with the different type of the graphical representations to here. So that graphical representation is about the different type of other file types. So now you just want to go with the different type of the other file types. So that one you should go with this format, and now I'm just going with the different type of the format as a remaining one as extract and as well as the bookmark. So now we can go with the extract and as well as the bookmark, and now we will show you with the bookmark and as well as the extract. Okay, so now we can go with the remaining options to here. So now I'm just going with the data source, and what we shown already about this information for the type of the export. Export is nothing but what? It's about the hyper information, and here you can see the data connections to here. So connection and as well as the extract, both will be there, right? So that purpose you should use any of one thing here, and so I'm just clicking on the extract to here. Okay, so we are having the two options, no, live and extract, and I'm just going with the live and extract as well to here. Okay, so this is about the live data what I'm showing, but I just want to go with the extract, that is about the hyper of the data. I'm just clicking on this one, and if you are clicking on any other option to here, So we are having the symbol and create a extract is there, then just click on the extract option, then it will create the extract option to here. And here if you want to edit anything, you can edit the information. Okay, like what you want to extract, okay, what you want to do, if you want to add anything, you can add any information. So like that, this type of the informations you can get the all options to here. Okay, so if you are having any doubts, please check with this information, and hope you can understand easily what I am saying to you people. And coming to the next part, bookmarks. So I'm just going with the different type of the graphical representations to here. And different type of the options also are there with us. And can you see remaining of the informations to here? And if you want to go with the exporting of the packaged workbook, then you can go with exporting of the packaged work. And if you want to save the file within a normal format also, you can save the files. So now it will be clear. Yeah, now it will be clear, I think so. So before going to the this type of the information, so remaining options, then we can go with the different type of options to here. Okay, we can go with the different type of the options to here, and we can create the dashboard to here for this. So the remaining one will be the exporting part. Now we will discuss about the exporting part. And you can see the data set as well to here. So I'm just going with the option as new. So this is about the free trial option only. Okay, open. So click on data and new data source. Can you see here? So whatever we are having the database files, all database files will be displayed here. Okay, whatever you save the data sources, and that will be stored in a downside. Okay, and these are about the servers. What we are having the servers will be there here to get the information. Okay, so now if you are clicking on the extracting option, like what we did already, then if you are clicking on the data source, just go to the data source and the select extract, and and you can go with the save as. So here you can select any other options to here, then you can click on the option. Okay, it's already there, so no need to go with any options. So like this, which type of the extension you need, you can take the data of that. So if you want to go with the different type of the combinations too, you can go with the different type of the combinations too here. Then you can save different type of the options with these options. Dot extension is, you can give hyper. Okay, then hyper extension also will be there for this sheet 5. Okay, so this sheet 5 I'm just renaming with the name as graph hyper, right? So these are the options what I'm having here. So coming to the next options, what we are having different type of file types, we discussed almost all. And coming to the next part, and after completion of the file types, we are having the publishing on a Tableau with the online part. And before going to that, just go to the Tableau here. So here, go to the Chrome and type tableau.com. Just click on it. Okay, open the Tableau part first, and after that here you should create an account now. Okay, so then only you can publish the data in a online. So that purpose, what you want to do here, just go with the sign up process. Actually here I already signed up, so that's why it's showing like that. And sign up Tableau public or the cloud, anything. Okay, so just go to the cloud. If you want to store the data in a cloud, then you can go with the cloud, otherwise Tableau cloud will be there. So open the Tableau cloud, and there you just want to sign up first, means you have to create some account for it. Okay, so here we are having the option in a Tableau. If you are having already the account, then you can go with the email address, and as well as after that you can go with the password. But you don't have the account, click on the sign up. Okay, just go to the click on the sign up, and what they're asking the options. So here it's already I sign up, so that's why it's not showing any options. But for the signing up, it will show some options in a Tableau part. Okay, so I will show you that options to here. So like this, you have to fill some details for the almost there is there, no? So like this, you have to fill up the details. Okay, after filling the details, then you have to confirm with your mail ID. After confirming with your mail ID, then you can get the account creation. You got just completed at the time account creation for the Tableau part to upload the data in a cloud or at anywhere. Okay, so that is the process of this information to here. So now after completion of this one and creation of this part, then you have to go with the next part as, so you should go with the next part as upload the data in an online process. That purpose, so we are having here lots of options will be there. Go to the server option, first click on the sign in, then you should sign in with the account. So if you already sign in with the account, then you will get some option, the server option like this. Then click on the connect, and if you connected with the mail ID password, okay, first go to the server option, click on the sign in, and after that you should sign in with your mail ID. So click on the remember me and click on the sign in. So after completion of this one, and again go to the server, then you can see the option as publish workbook. Just click on the publish workbook. Actually I already published the workbook, that's why it's showing like this. Otherwise if you are starting now itself, then it will show some options. So can you see it's showing a name as sales one dot hyper, because we just created this graphical presentation with the hyper only now, so that's why it's showing like this. And I'm just clicking on the saving option, then it will open the information and it's sending to the server and to the cloud, and there you can see the option what you are having the data. And now this is about your site of the publication site, and you publish these many things. If you are clicking on your account, then you can see the informations what you are having the informations, these many informations I just created here. And if you are clicking on the particular thing, and it will be open, and you can see the options, everything will be in a graphical representation. See, so this is about the different type of dashboards what I created a previous actions. But if you're moving the cursor automatically based on the values, the cursor is moving, and along with the values also moving with this information, right? So this is about the different type of the graphical representation to us. And in this information we are having a lot of options. So this is about the previous version, but now what I have created here, this is one, this is the last one, right? So I'm just clicking on this last version option. Oi, attendance. Yeah, so attendance we will share you soon, otherwise tomorrow end of the day we can share the information to you people. Okay, so you just clicked on the Lakshmi Meghna again, and you can see lot of things, and this is about the previous data, but now I just extension as with the hyper. Then you just clicked on the data, and here you can see the options what you are having the graphical representations. Okay, so this is about the basic part, and how to do the servering process, each and everything I will show you. So first go to the server, click on the sign in option. I already signed it with my account. If you want to sign out, then you can sign out. Go with another server of signing option also. After that, so click on the workbook. If you already published the workbook, then you can click on the open workbook. I'm just going with the publish workbook, and what I have want to publish. And why it's showing this one only, because this is only there, no here, that's why. So click on the save button, again it's showing it's already there, no problem. So it's publishing in our account. So after completion of the publishing of the account, then it will close the option automatically. Okay, after publishing of this one, we are having options. If you want to edit anything, you can edit, and if you want to go with the favorites, just click on the favorites. And if you want to share this information, any person to share, and if you want to download any information, click on the download button. If you're clicking on the download button, it will ask us so many options. If you want to convert the data into a image part, you just click on the image, then we can save the option with the image format, maybe a JPG, PNG, like that. Can you see here, the file will be saved with the PNG. I'm just clicking on the open option, then this is my the graphical representation. And if you want to go with any other type of the downloading part, just go to here and click on the download option. Now you just want to go with the PDF, then you can select the PDF. Okay, in this, which type of the PDF you need, specific workbook only you need, or any other workbook you need. And if you want to go with the landscape, portrait, and with letters you need, without letters you need, A4 you need, A3 you need, which type of the information, how you need the information to load the data set, and you can give the information. Okay, so how you want to download, just download the information with these options. So now if you want to download this information with PowerPoint, you can download. With the Tableau is nothing but what? So TWB, right? So X is nothing but it's about the packaged information. That's why it's showing the packaged information. Can you see the location here? So what I downloaded here, sales11.hyper. something. Just click on this one and it will be open in a workbook of the Tableau. So it will open like this. And if you want to close this information, you can close the information too. And now again I'm just going with the information, and Tableau files will be completed, publishing will be completed, and sharing of the visualization with the printing and as well as the exporting. Means what I'm having the information, I'm just sharing this information with the different type of the extensions. So what are the different type of the extensions here? You can check it. Okay, so what we are having the extensions, I will show you. The extensions or sharing the files or sharing the files or the printing files means whatever you're having the data you can save with the different type of the formats. Can you see here? Print option is there. If you want to print the data, then you can print the data and how you need with the active sheet, selected sheet, number of sheets, how much you need, each and everything you can print from here. Otherwise, go to the file option, and if you want to print as like a PDF, just go with the PDF. And these are very simple process. No, I just want to go with a new thing, so I'm just going with a new data source. Okay, I'm having already the different type of the files now with me. So again I'm closing this information of the Tableau. So now I'm going to a Windows search bar, typing a Tableau, and I'm getting the information to here. So continue trial, and can you see here I'm having the options so these are the server files. If you want to go with the more also, you can go. So I'm just clicking on the customer analysis. Okay, so it's not unable to open. Yeah, we will share you the feedback form at the end of the time. Otherwise tomorrow we will share you the feedback form. Okay, again I'm taking a text file. Example, I will take the VG cells only. Okay, so now I'm just going with the next option. So here I just gone with the data set, and now I'm just going with the genre as well, and with the different type of the sales, maybe other sales I will take. Okay, so this is the information, and I just want to go with the different type of the options to here. So colors I have given, labels I will give for this, and genre I am taking to here. Global sales also I am taking to here for the labels, and this one I am just taking for the colors. So this is my information. Okay, so now I'm just going with the different type of the graphical representation here. But can you see here we are getting two options to here, right? So this is about the dual axis part. Okay, so now you just want to go with the second option in our representation. So creating the custom charts, and we have to go with the dual axis part. So that purpose I am just going with this type of the application here before exporting and printing the data. So now I'm just going with this option and go to the worksheet, and you can see the different type of the options to here. Export, right? So we are having the option in a worksheet as export. Click on the export. How you want to export this data, maybe in an image format or the data format or cross tab to Excel format. So I'm just selecting first one. In that image means what I'm having the information, it will be exported like this image. But for that, what you need the title, view, caption, color. If you don't need, just unblock it. Otherwise, if you need, just block it. Okay, then you can click on the save option, and where you want to save this information, I'm just going with the desktop, MJT workshop, and there I'm just taking the output as sales PNG. I just clicked on the option. So this is about the exporting with the picture, but I need in different type of the format. Again, go to the worksheet and click on the export and go to the data. Then you can go with the second option as database files, and here how you can take any type of the name. I just given some alternate name. So if you want to connect to after export, just click on the connect to after export, and it will export the data into a normal database format. Okay, so now the information will be completed with the exporting of the export of with the images and as well as the data. Now we am going with the cross tab with the Excel sheet. So wait for some time, it's opening, and can you see here this is opening with the Excel sheet information. Here you want to do any calculation part or anything, you can do here itself. Okay, so that is the use of the Excel sheet worksheet process. Okay, so now exporting option will be completed with the different type of the options. If you want to clear the sheet, you can clear the sheet. And tool tips, here we can take the tool tips, here we can take the tool tips, and how you need the tool tips, you can take the tool tips. And what will be the file types will be completed. Online process, sharing of the data is completed, exporting is completed, the printing option also is shown, and the dual axis again I will show you, and custom of charts I will show you. Okay, custom charts is nothing but how you need the graphical representation, you can take the graphical representation with the different formats. So that is only the custom charts. Okay, so means this is about the custom charts, and we can say we are having the two options, no, then you can say that is about the dual axis part 2. So now just give a right click here, and here we will see the option as the dual axis. Click on the dual axis and it will show the information with the dual axis format. And here in mark sheets, so just give any other option to here, and here we are having the different type of the options, no, just go with any other type of the graphical representation here. So I just used in a marks, in automatic I just used square type of the graphical representation, and if you want to go with the dual axis, go to here dual axis and you can get the dual axis information. Okay, this is without dual axis. If you are clicking on the dual axis, then you will get the dual axis to here. Okay, so coming to the next part, again you can go to here, and here we are having the different type of the options. Then you can check with the different type of the options. Can you see here add table calculation? Then you can go with the add table calculations. If you need any type of the calculations, you can take the calculations. Okay, then it will show the different type of the calculations to here. So can you see calculations will be changed, right? Based on the calculations, we can change the different type of the calculations parts to here. So these are the parts what we are using. Okay, so today as per our discussion, we should go with the file types, publishing part, sharing of the data with the exporting and thing, and creating of the charts and dual access, all will be completed. Okay, so again I'm showing to you, go to the file option, click on the save as, then you can get the workbook different types. And if you want to save the information with the data connections, I mean data what is that, so data based data sources, with the data sources packages, select the Excel sheet and give a right click, then you can go with the options, then you can save the different type of the options to here. And coming to the next part, if you want to go with the server option, go to the server, go with the publish workbook, then you can publish the data. And coming to the worksheet, and if you want to export anything, you can do the exporting part to here itself. And coming to the next part, go to the file option. Here you can see the printing option and print to the PDF. However you need, you can go with the options. And coming to the last part, worksheet with the different type of dual charts, and as well as the creating of custom charts. How I just created the charts right here. That is about the custom charts. If you want to go with the dual axis, just click on the dual axis, and here also you can change the making changes of the different type of the shapes to here, and you can get the different type of the graphical representations. So this is about for all information for today. For tomorrow purpose, we can discuss about the Power BI, and that is about the one of the updated information how we are using the Tableau. And we know the Tableau is about the data visualization tool, right? And after this Tableau, we are using a Power BI with the updated thing. The same thing will be there, but Power BI little bit change will be there, and there we are having different type of the more options compare with the Tableau. So tomorrow we will discuss about the Tableau. Okay, so now this is about for all today, and hope you can enjoy this session. If you are having any doubts, so please keep message in chat box. So thank you very much to attend the information, and I am very happy to share this information with you people. And yeah, thank you. If you are having any doubts, please raise your question here. So this is all about for today. So if you are having any doubts, you can raise your voice. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks to attend this information, and the feedback link tomorrow end of the day, no, then we will provide you the feedback link and the whole information about attendance link, all we can provide tomorrow. And tomorrow is the last session, that is about the Power BI part. Yeah, we will provide you the feedback link for the tomorrow. And today so some net issues will be there. Tomorrow we will share you for all people. Thank you.